Hi beauties, look at this. This is a very nice brand, Waitsoul jewelry, and they have really nice stuff in it. Look at this silver, beautiful silver necklace. It's like braided. Let's get it out. There you go, look at this. It's beautiful. It's like wrapped around itself and it's very nice material. And I like the color. It's like bright silver. I'm going to wear it. Those are like the fashion nowadays. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's really, really nice. It's like choker. It's not a choker necklace though, but it's really beautiful and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.